Hello, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal to GCash. So let's start. First of all, make sure to open GCash app and log in using your MPIN. Once logged in, click the hamburger menu on the upper left corner. After that, go to my linked accounts and choose PayPal. On the siding menu, select my linked accounts. Next, choose PayPal from the list. Make sure to enter your PayPal email. Make sure that your first and last name in GCash are exactly the same as in your PayPal account. After that, click link to continue. For the next step, click authorize to grant GCash permission to transfer funds from your PayPal account to your GCash. Make sure to enter your PayPal email or mobile number. Tap next. After that, enter your PayPal password and click login. If your PayPal account credentials are correct, your PayPal and GCash accounts will be linked successfully. You will receive a confirmation email of the successful linking. Click close and continue. Next, your PayPal is now linked to GCash. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.